right, let's use the values above to answer questions in number 16. So the first one is the sine of 270 degrees. Recall that sine is always our y-coordinate at the angle. So we just need to locate the angle 270 degrees. So let me erase all this here. 270 degrees, that's here. That's that angle. So that corresponds to this terminal ray, and that means we're using the point on the unit circle that the ray passes through. And so the sine of 270 is just the y-coordinate at that point. So our answer is -1. So again, here there's no triangle to use. We're just using our definition of sine, cosine, and tangent. The y-coordinate, the x-coordinate, and the y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate, respectively. Let's take a look at another one. How about cosine of pi over 2? So the cosine of pi over 2, well, here's our angle pi over 2 right there. The terminal ray is this up here. So we essentially either need to use the x-coordinate or the y-coordinate. Well, we're dealing with cosine, and the cosine always refers to the x-coordinate at the angle. So therefore, the cosine of pi over 2 is going to be the x-coordinate of pi over 2. Hence, our answer is 0. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. And in the following problem, we're dealing with tangent. And remember, tangent is our y-coordinate divided by our x-coordinate. Because we don't have a triangle, we can't use opposite side divided by the adjacent leg. We have to use the y-coordinate divided by the x, our trig definition for tangent. Well, -pi is going to be there. That's our angle for -pi. Well, that is pointing to this ray right here. So we just need to use the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate of this point for that angle on the unit circle. Well, again, our y-coordinate for that point is 0. Our x-coordinate for that point is -1. Now, 0 divided by -1, 0 divided by anything is 0, except maybe 0. And you'll examine that in calculus. So our answer for that is 0. Okay? That's our simplified ratio. Lastly, let's look at this final problem, D. What's the tangent of -5 pi over 2? So let's locate the angle first of all. We're rotating negatively, so -pi over 2, -2 pi over 2, -3 pi over 2, -4 pi over 2, -5 pi over 2. So -5 pi over 2 is going to be corresponding with this angle right here, +3 pi over 2. I'll just write -5 pi over 2 to remind us that that's the same angle. And we said in problem C that the tangent is our y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate. So our y-coordinate at that point is -1. Our x-coordinate divided by that, our x-coordinate at that point rather is 0. -1 divided by 0 is undefined. When you divide by 0, the universe essentially doesn't work. We can't divide by 0, and so since that's incalculable, we describe that as undefined. It's important that this is your final answer, undefined, and that you don't write -1 divided by 0, because that's actually not a correct simplified answer. So thanks for watching, and good luck on your homework.